Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can seamlessly accept cryptocurrency payments using Sprintcheckout, the ultimate crypto payment gateway. And if you're ready, let's just dive right into it. As already mentioned, we're going to use Sprintcheckout. And let's first of all do a quick overview to understand how distinct this payment gateway is on the market and what key features it offers. Let's go a little bit down and we can see them. The first one is no KYC, which means know your customers. So there is no custody and your funds go directly to your preferred wallet. Next one is this EVM chain. So Sprintcheckout supports all EVM chains, including all layer 2s and all layer 1s. Then they have an outstanding UX and it is very easy to navigate through their dashboard. They have fiat auto settlements, so you can connect your Coinbase and Binance accounts and get your funds converted into your preferred fiat or stablecoin automatically. And then they have low fields and this account abstraction feature. Okay, now that we know this, let's head to the dashboard and see these features in action. To get started with Sprintcheckout, let's sign in here. You can use your Google account, no need to create a whole new one. So that's pretty easy. Let's click on this and here's our main dashboard, and you can see the three main products that Sprintcheckout offers, that is payment link, WooCommerce plugin, and API integration. Today we are going to concentrate on WooCommerce plugin only. So that's why let's get started with it. First, we need to fill in some business details, our business name, our site URL, most importantly, the logo URL. This is optional, but it's actually a very good feature, so let's leverage it. Let's pass the logo URL, and from here we are choosing already our mainnet and testnet networks, and I'm gonna go for Avalanche here. And that's it. Let's continue. So here you can see that for getting paid, you have 4 steps to complete. First, let's continue because we need to connect our site. And this is our WordPress site. I'm going to click on connect. And from here, you need to approve it. And you need to wait a bit so that it says connected. Once it's connected, you can move on. Okay, so now it's done. Now we need to move on to our WordPress dashboard to do the necessary things there. We're going to WordPress, we're going to plugins and add new plugin. From here, we are adding Sprintcheckout. Install now. Okay, once it's installed, we need to activate it. Okay, so if you activate it, you cannot see the plugin here because it will be not visible. For that, you will need to head to WooCommerce and then go to Settings, Payments, and here you will see Sprintcheckout Payment, and you need to enable this. Let's enable it and also click on Finish Setup so that we need to pass the API key here. We're going back to Sprintcheckout, we are going to Get Paid, and here we have our API key. We're simply copying this, going back to our WordPress dashboard, pasting it here, and save changes. Once the changes have been saved, you can see that Sprintcheckout is activated. To see how Sprintcheckout works, let's head to our WooCommerce store and make a random purchase. So here I'm buying this hybrid cleansing balm. Let's add it to our cart. Then proceed to checkout. And here, after filling the necessary billing and shipping information here, we need to choose how we want to proceed with our payment. So here we have the check payments, cash on delivery option, and the pay with crypto Sprintcheckout. And that's what we are choosing. And after agreeing to the terms and conditions, you need to place your order. So after you click on that, it will head to this page, and from here you need to choose Connect Wallet. We're choosing MetaMask, You're choosing the account you want to make the payment with. Connect. From here, we are choosing the necessary network. You can switch between them. And then you are choosing the coin. It's USDC in this case. And let's approve it. Now you also need to approve it from your account. Next, and approve. Pay. Confirm. And our payment was processed successfully. Now, if you head to your WordPress dashboard and WooCommerce and your orders, you can see your order appear right here. If you click on it, you can see the necessary details here. But if you scroll down a bit, you can also see this metadata. If you copy and paste this on another page, you can see all the necessary transaction details, such as the status, the timestamp, the transaction action, from who interacted with, the value, the transaction fee, the gas price, and every necessary detail that you need to know. Well, that's it about Sprintcheckout, the payment gateway that will make accepting cryptocurrencies a breeze. And if you've still got any questions concerning it, don't forget to drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to not miss out any of our upcoming videos. And I'll see you next time and have a nice day. Bye bye.